Hello, and a warm welcome to you all. You're tuned into the Investing Iguana, the go-to show where we delve deep into the fascinating universe of personal finance, investment strategies, and planning for a secure retirement. I'm your enthusiastic host, Iggy, and I'm thrilled to be your navigator through this captivating journey of financial enlightenment. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that has intrigued philosophers, economists, and everyday people alike. What's the magic income number that will make you happy, particularly if you're living in the bustling city-state of Singapore? Now, you might be thinking, happiness? That's a pretty abstract concept. How can you possibly put a price tag on something so subjective? Well, you'd be surprised. Researchers, armed with data and statistical models, have ventured into the realm of quantifying happiness. They've coined a term for the income level at which individuals generally report peak levels of happiness and satisfaction with life. This intriguing concept is known as the satiation point, and it's a figure that fluctuates based on geographical location and the cost of living in that area. So, let's cut to the chase. What's the magic number for achieving happiness in Singapore? Drumroll, please. According to cutting-edge research conducted by S-Money, a platform specializing in financial comparisons, the annual income you'd need to hit that coveted satiation point in Singapore is a whopping $75,320, which translates to approximately 103,007 Singapore dollars with the current exchange rate. Yes, you heard that right, over a staggering 100,000 Singapore dollars per annum. That's a pretty hefty sum, isn't it? To put things into perspective, let's consider the median salary in Singapore for the year 2022, which stands at around 60,900 Singapore dollars or 44,500 US dollars. This implies that a significant majority, over half of Singapore's population, is earning below this so-called happiness threshold. So, does this mean that these individuals are wallowing in unhappiness or dissatisfaction? Absolutely not. It's crucial to remember that happiness is a complex tapestry woven from various threads, not just monetary wealth. Factors like physical and mental health, educational opportunities, the quality of social interactions, leisure and recreational activities, and deeply held personal values all play pivotal roles. Money can certainly provide a cushion of comfort and convenience, but it's not a magic wand that can conjure love, meaningful friendships, or a sense of purpose. Interestingly, some research indicates that once you surpass the satiation point, the happiness curve tends to plateau or even take a slight dip. Why? Because human beings are remarkably adaptable creatures. As income rises, so do expectations and desires, often leading to increased stress, fierce competition, and even envy. It's the classic case of more money, more problems, as the old adage goes. So, if a fat bank account isn't the golden ticket to eternal happiness, what is? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here are some thought-provoking suggestions to consider. 1. Strive for a harmonious work-life balance. Your career shouldn't come at the expense of your health, family, or personal passions. Set clear boundaries and focus on what truly enriches your life. 2. Be a savvy spender. Don't squander your hard-earned money on frivolous items that offer fleeting joy. Instead, invest in experiences and endeavors that add genuine value to your life, be it travel, further education, or philanthropy. 3. Plan for a secure future. Living paycheck to paycheck or accumulating debt is a recipe for anxiety. Build a robust emergency fund and a well-thought-out retirement plan to enjoy peace of mind. 4. Cultivate gratitude. Stop playing the comparison game or chasing unattainable ideals. Embrace the present, appreciate your accomplishments, and find joy in simple pleasures. If you're curious about the happiness price tags in other countries, here are some eye-opening stats. The global average satiation point, based on a groundbreaking 2018 study from Purdue University, hovers between 60,000 US dollars to 75,000 US dollars. Iran takes the cake for the highest cost of happiness, requiring an annual income of 239,700 US dollars, more than triple the global average. On the flip side, Sierra Leone has the lowest happiness price tag at just $8,658 per year. Singapore ranks 11th in the list of most expensive countries for happiness, trailing behind nations like Australia, Norway, and the United States. Interestingly, Singapore's neighboring countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, China, and South Korea have lower happiness price tags. For a comprehensive list and a nifty calculator to gauge your happiness income, check out S-Money's website. In conclusion, while money can be a useful tool, it's not the be-all and end-all of happiness. Your well-being stems from how you choose to live your life, so don't let these figures bog you down. Use them as a guide or as motivation to enhance both your financial standing and your overall quality of life. That wraps up today's in-depth episode of the Investing Iguana. If you found this discussion enlightening and valuable, please hit that thumbs up button, share this video far and wide, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. I'm eager to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below. What's your happiness income in Singapore? Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, this is Iggy from the Investing Iguana, encouraging you to stay joyful and financially savvy.